सो मच।
कितने एफर्ट लगाना पड़ता है कि इवेंट करेगा?
बहुत सारे एफर्ट लगाने पड़ते हैं। पहले तो अपना एक पैशन होता है जिस चीज़ के लिए, उसको आपको पूरा 100% देना पड़ता है। जब वो पैशन आप 100% देते हो, आपका सक्सेस होना लाजमी होता है ये चीज़ का। तो येस, एफर्ट तो बहुत लगे, बट आई एंजॉयड माई जर्नी सो मच।
कहा जाता है एक मर्द की कामयाबी के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है। इस औरत की कामयाबी के पीछे किसका हाथ देखा जाएगा?
मेरे हस्बैंड का। यस, वो हमेशा मेरे सपोर्ट पे खड़े रहे हैं। इवन नॉट माई हस्बैंड, मेरी पूरी फैमिली मेरे सपोर्ट में हमेशा खड़ी रहती है। मेरा बेटा भी, तो सब, और मेरे फ्रेंड्स तो है ही।
सेकंड, टोटल कितने पार्टिसिपेट मेंबर्स थे इसमें?
हमारे पास 200 प्लस रजिस्ट्रेशंस आई थी, जिसमें से हम लोगों ने ऑडिशन करके 41 किड्स निकाले थे। और आज आप देख रहे हो, ऑल आर हैप्पी है।
फ्यूचर इवेंट की अगर हम बात करें तो ये अपकमिंग सीजन 3 कब आने वाला है?
बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है, लेट्स वेट।
इसमें हटके कुछ ऐड करेंगे आप?
Yes, of course. We will add something, interesting more or things together. So then we'll see.
आपकी एक लेफ्ट और राइट जो बोला जाता है, दाहिना या बाया हाथ, रिपीट वो
Yes.
आज वो यहाँ नहीं है।
Yes.
उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
उनको मैं बहुत 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 थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज वो SVK की एक बैकबोन है। जहाँ पे वो आज SVK है, उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। एक्चुअली अगर मैं कहूँ बहुत बड़ा, क्या वही है इसके पीछे। सो थैंक यू सो मच।
Rahal, I'm so blessed and happy to be again chief guest with Chef Shweta Gupta in the second edition of Super Talent, Super Chef. And those super talent is the kids and junior. It's the empowerment for them to know what is mean the gastronomy and the taste of the food. It's not only sample cooking, but it's entire empowerment to know the calories and healthy organic food. Chef Shweta always making sure that to teach all the young generation the turn of the food and also the economy, because with this master class she's bridging economy, culture and food industry. So I say congratulations to the winner, and always stay tuned with many talented coming with super talent with Chief Shweta Gupta, again another session, and congratulations to the winner. Congratulations to India, because without Indian we cannot know diversity and inclusion and humanity in taste of the food. Today this master class show us another ampleur for the food
Everyone,
gastronomy.
today we are here for the second season of SVK Junior Superstar Chef, and it was amazing to see the entire journey of the kids, and above all, amazing work done by the organizers. And yes, we are always thankful to Shweta for inviting us here. Everybody, every single person here is like praising her work, and all the kids are very happy. So yes, again, this is an amazing platform. Looking forward for you all to come and join her for the third season of SVK Junior Superstar Chef. Thank you.
इवेंट कितनी मेहनत लगती है? जैसा कहा जाता है कि हस्बैंड की कामयाबी के पीछे औरत का हाथ होता है, वाइफ का हाथ होता है। ये वाइफ का इवेंट है और हस्बैंड आप है।
बिल्कुल सही बात है आपकी। गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल। इसके पीछे तो भगवान का ही हाथ है, क्योंकि और आदमी के पीछे औरत का हाथ होता है और औरत के पीछे भगवान का। तो बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस किया और काफ़ी मेहनत से लगे हुए हैं, काफ़ी सालों से लगे हुए थे। तो ये बड़ा
My
अचीवमेंट
name
है
is
उनका।
Garima. So I teach dance to kids, and I am connected with Bites. I am doing the choreography for them on most of the events, and these kids are doing amazing. So today also you must have seen that with the Bite poetry what they have done today. So the poetry, the choreography, everything was done, and today's events, Shweta, she is amazing. Like with all the kids, you must have seen with PODs, with the kids, with everyone. I mean, it's not only with this event; it goes with as a general person. She's amazing. She's gem of a
Thank
person.
you very much for loving this. Thank you very much. Opportunity. Thank you.
Very happy and excited.
Very happy, excited.
Become the winner.
Become winner.
वेरी गुड।
On this.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chef Shweta. This is a great opportunity, and thank you, Byte, for getting us collaborated with Chef Shweta for this amazing opportunity and giving. This is a beautiful winning opportunity, and it's a community effort which we have all done. So inclusive and so promising for a great future. Thank you very much.
Akriti. I won the title most promising young chef. I'm so happy to part of it. SVK's Junior Superstar Chef
I'm
season.
Nisha Tandon, the founder of Byte, Build Your Own Tribe. That's an inclusive community for the people of determination. And this is my daughter Anushka, who participated today in the cooking competition organized by Chef Shweta. And this is the first time the opportunity was given to people of determination to do live performance in cooking. And this was amazing. My husband was the one who assisted my daughter.
No, in brief, I would just say that it's a fantastic foot forward. I think Shweta has taken a great initiative, and Byte and Shweta coming together this was the result of their efforts. Grateful.
I love cooking competition. Twitter is my best.
My name is Sarah and I'm participating in SVK Junior Chef Cooking Competition. I love it here, it's so nice and I got to see new things. I learned how to cook and it's so nice here. I'm glad that I participated in this event. Everybody's so nice, I made new friends.
Hello, my name is Nivid. I'm a pretty young chef and I got a little bit of experience thanks to this one program. It was called Duke. It's going globally. It's around many different countries. And there's just one challenge. Either I have to swim and get something, or I have to cook an egg. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna cook an egg. And this was my first time. So when I did it, I immediately loved cooking. So now, I'm like, Mama, can I go into a cooking competition? And then she said, yes, finally you're going into a cooking competition. So then I went and I thought I won't get anything.
Hi, I'm Mihika. I am 11 years old and I'm participating in SVK's Junior Superstar Chef Competition. And I'm so happy I got this prize. I never expected to get this prize and I love cooking and I want to be a master chef when I grow up.
Hello, my name is Hitanshu Naveen Prasnani. I'm 11 and a half and I'm participating in this competition in the senior category and I'm really happy that I've won this and I practiced so much and that all did not go in vain, so I'm really happy and proud of myself.
Very much for being here. We are very proud to make this platform where we are not only trying to make a good platform for the upcoming future chefs or the talent, but this is more to give that confidence and boost to our kids, to our generation. So if you see overall, this is not only the cooking show where the kids are cooking something, but they are planning what they have to make. They are making their menus, they are making everything on their own, which not only make them a chef, but of course a very good, well planned, a perfect person to manage the things in their future as well. So I'm really grateful to be a part of this one. Thank you.
I feel that to cook good food, first you need to be happy. And in this competition or in this event, what I found that everyone was very happy. All the contestants was very happy. Even the people of determination, the batch of those people were very, very happy. And that is the reason the food which came out was very much refined. And it was such an experience to judge this kind of competition where the happiness flows everywhere.
It was amazing to be a part of this beautiful competition where you see young talents, seeing them prepare for days and practice to get to the level and see their creativity come up to the next level and guide them, nurture them and see this talents. It's amazing, and especially to have an opportunity to see the PODs who have amazing insight and talent, but yet not given the platform. So I was glad to see they have this platform and they have been given this chance and opportunity to come in parallel with the regular people, regular kids, and given the platform to show what they can do. And with the level and the way they are taking, I'm sure they will be the next generation super chefs who will be really inspiring us and the young kids. So it was really beautiful to be a part of this, and thanks for having us here.
आगे भी ऐसे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।